Yo, we ran so far. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Ooh.
whoa. Oh, there it goes.
Give it some more drag. Let himself get worn out. Oh my gosh.
It's like 1,000 minnows over there.
There's a bunch of bluegill.
Imagine we double up and the other rod starts going crazy too.
Oh my god, that'd be amazing. Alright, let me get the net. Where's he at? He's right here.
Oh, he's over here now.
Yeah, he's right here. Oh, shoot.
Oh, but he's staking me out now.
There he is. Hold up. A very big one. That's a very small one.
Bro, low-key do what I did last time. Bro, this rod has caught like 20 carp.
Come on. Alright. Lift him up when you get him over here.
Wait, he kind of heavy, not gonna lie.
Alright, ready? Lift.
Oh,
Yo, that's low-key kind of big.
yeah.
He didn't look that big in the water. Chill. Nice.
Oh, man.
All right.
Damn,
Yo.
why is it so aggressive now?
Pull the net out.
Dang, he's kind of big.
He hooked pretty good. He bleeding.
There we go. Hooks out.
He's got a kick.
Dang, it still like pointed forward,
Calm down.
upwards.
You're so slippery.
Oh man, it's bleeding. Dang, its eyes are like shiny, bro. Looks like some demon.
I like this one.
Oi, look this way, look this way.
Go. Another one. Look at the tail. I love seeing their tails.
Yeah, I
They're so
know.
big and beautiful.
It's red and everything. Into the water.
Second one of the night.
I know.
Let's get to one.